Hey guys, and how's it going on? In this video we are going to be talking about how to add conversation widgets in your sub account dashboard in GoHighLevel. Before we get started, you can get a 30-day free trial on GoHighLevel with our link in the description below, so make sure to don't miss out on that. Alright, so now let's just head over to that. So sub account dashboards. Now introducing conversation widgets. So now if you are looking for conversation widgets in your sub account, then you can see here is what you can now visualize. So basically, GoHighLevel is thrilled to introduce a host of new widgets for conversations for your dashboards designed to supercharge your team's efficiency and elevate customer engagement. Now, with a glance, you can uncover invaluable insights into unread messages and assigning distributions and even track new conversations started this week. Now here's what you can now visualize. So we have total unread messages, total unread conversations. We have unread conversations today, conversations by channel, conversations by assignee, unread conversations itself, conversations distributed by assignee, and so on and so forth. So now, if you want to know that how it works, so simply head over to your dashboard, and then you're going to be clicking on edit icon and then add widget. Then scroll down to the conversations and then choose the widget you will like from the list of predefined widgets or add your own filters. And finally click on save. Now if you are seeing why it matters, you can monitor and analyze your team's performance in responding to customer conversations, track and read and unassigned conversations, and utilize filters such as last messages, message channel, email, SMS, GMB, live chat, WhatsApp, or whatever it is, and last message direction, inbound or outbound, to gain valuable insights and improve customer engagement. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, and I really hope you found this one helpful. If you did so, make sure to check out the link in the description below where you can try 30 days of GoHighLevel completely for free. And with that being said, that's a wrap, and thank you so much for watching. See you around the next couple of videos.